Okay, in this video we will be going over electron capture, and so this is an example. So we have sodium, atomic mass is 24, atomic number is 11, plus we're doing electron capture, so we have this thing always the case. A 0 for the mass, -1 for the atomic number, and is represented by E. And from there you go 11 minus 1 is 10, so now we'll have a 10 atomic number, and 24 plus 0 remains the same, so 24. Now you go to a periodic table, 10 corresponds to neon, and you write Ne, plus gamma rays. Technically this should be a neutrino, but in most high schools and colleges, you simply represent this by plus gamma. I wouldn't worry about neutrino unless your professor says so. So now let's solve these two problems. We have electron capture because the problem says electron capture. You have 87 and a 0 for the atomic mass. So the 87 would remain the same. 37 minus 1 would be 36. Now you go to a periodic table. What does 36 correspond to? What does the atomic number of 36 correspond to? And that's going to be krypton, so Kr. Now we'll do a similar problem, but instead we don't know this part, but we know this part. And we know it's going to be electron capture. Because it is electron capture, it's always 0, -1, E. Now you need to think what number, when you subtract a -1, would give us 18. That's going to be 19. And then 40 plus 0 is simply 40. Now go to a periodic table. What does 19 correspond to? And that corresponds to K for potassium. And that's all we need to do for electron capture.